Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth and Boxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to go through the September Boxycharm by IPSY. If you are not familiar with Boxycharm by IPSY, it is one of the subscriptions you can get from IPSY. This is going to be $30 a month. You will get 5 full-size items in here and you do get to pick a few of them. So I added some add-ons to this box. I got my picks in this box. I got the IPSY picks for this box. So this is going to be a good one, you guys. Stay tuned and let's see what we got. Now, I have been doing the Beauty Boost for the past few boxes. I canceled it. It was $15 a month, and even though the products were good and they were worth more than $15 a month, it just wasn't, the picks weren't things that I just was in love with. So I went ahead and canceled it, and I'm just sticking with the basic subscription. But this is our Boxycharm. We have our Boxycharm pamphlet. We have our box full of stuff. So I'm actually going to start with the stuff that IPSY picked for me. The first IPSY pick is an Lys Beauty, and this is a Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer. So this one is one of the IPSY picks. I'll put the values for these in the corner. I did not make a note of them, but this is a very cute bottle. Ooh. I think I've had another of these, of this brand. Maybe it was a mascara and it was triangle shaped. I guess maybe that's their thing. So this is a concealer. The shade is just LNG, so this must be light, neutral, or maybe that's a 6. Light, neutral, 6, if I'm just decoding their thing correctly. And this is going to be a doe foot applicator. It does look like a good shade. I am not going to swatch it, but it does look like a good shade for concealer, and it probably will work well for me. So this is one of the IPSY picks. I love the bottle. It's really super cute. The next thing that IPSY picked for me is from Misha Beauty, and this is a contour stick. So this is the next IPSY pick, and ooh, that's a nice shade. So this is the shade Light. So this is their light contour. That looks like a perfect shade actually for me for a bronzer. So I like that. Again, I'll put the value of what this would be in the corner. But these are all full-size products. And this is a nice one. Again, Misha Beauty. I think that's what it's saying. I think it's M-I-S-C-H-A. So Misha Beauty or Misha. Maybe it's just Misha. Misha Beauty. Misha Beauty. And if you know exactly how it's pronounced, please let me know in the comments. I always ask you guys, and you've been great to help me out with the hard to pronounce brands, which there are a few of them. My picks for this box, the first thing I picked was from Drybar, and this is the Triple Sec 3-in-1 Finishing Spray. This says it texturizes, amplifies, and refreshes. So this is a texture spray and a volumizer and refresher. So kind of a dry shampoo, texture spray combo. That's a good size. This is the 4.2 ounce size. My next pick is from Fenty Skin. I'm trying to get it not to have a glare. My next pick is from Fenty Skin, and I love the colors on the front of this box and on the bottom. This is the Cookies and Cream Whipped Clay Detox Face Mask. So this is a face mask. I'm trying to remember if the other one that we got from Fenty Skin was a mask or moisturizer, but this is a clay mask, and it's probably going to be sealed. Ooh, it is got a stopper on top, but you can see the texture in that mask. Some of that, yeah, I think that's all. Might be bubbles, but it looks like stuff that's in the mask. So this is a clay mask from Fenty Skin. That was one of my picks, and I like that. That's a good size. This is the 2.5 ounces for that one. The last pick, and this one's a humdinger, and I will put the value. I don't remember, but I remember it was a lot. A Kat Berkey Rosehip Intense Recovery Eye Serum. So I think you guys, if you watch me for a minute, you know I do really enjoy Kat Berkey products. It's one of the ones that I use a lot. And this is her eye cream, and I've been using the moisturizer. This is an Intense Recovery Eye Serum, and this is a 1/2 ounce. So the full size in the nice bottle of the Kat Berkey Rosehip Intensive Eye Recovery Serum. And I like it. It's a good one. Now for the items that I added on. The first thing I added on was some of these Larousse brushes. This came in a recent bag or a box. I think it was in a Boxycharm box. But these are Larousse brushes, which are really great. My sister got the last set and I wanted to set myself. So it has, this is their eyeshadow brushes. It has the flat one for packing. It has a blender. It has an angled brush, and it has your normal, just regular brush. These were $6 that I paid in the add-on shop. So once you pick items for the box, you can go in, and that's for the glam bag or the box, you can go into the add-on products and add on. So these are really nice brushes, and the $6 is a great value for the Larousse brushes. My next one, I'm kind of mad that I bought. This is a Beauty for Certain lip gloss, and it's got the sparkles in it. This was $3.50. I'm not mad that I got it because it's $3.50. I'm mad that I got it because after I picked this, the IPSY Glam Bag, I think, had this exact one in it. So now I have two, but it's a great one. I will use it eventually, but I wouldn't have bought this if I'd known I was going to get it. I think it was in the Glam Bag. If it wasn't the Glam Bag, it was a recent box. We got the Beauty for Certain lip gloss. So now I have a lot of them. I realized after I got done actually filming this video that I forgot to show you one of the things I bought. This was another $3.50 add-on. This is the Seraphine Botanicals Rhubarb and Rose Creamy Lip and Cheek Palette. So this is going to be a blush and a lipstick palette. And this was only $3.50. It's got 5 really nice colors in it. I thought this was too good of a deal to pass up. So the container or the palette looks like this on the front. It's plastic with the pretty printing on it. Get it open. And these are the beautiful colors that it has in here. So this is a cheek and lip palette. So any of these could be used for lip or cheek. Some of those, the middle, these two might even be good contour colors. But they're really pretty. I think they're gorgeous. I thought I had to grab that for $3.50. So I just wanted to show you real quick what those were and get you back to the rest of the video. And my last pick is this Gold Faden. This is their lip. This is the Gold Faden Lip Therapy. I actually have another small size like this as well. This is also $3.50, and this is great to keep in my purse for just moisturizing on the go. It's great. It also has kind of a nice fragrance. It's kind of fresh and it's nice, but Gold Faden is great. Again, $3.50 for that one. So this is my box. We got my IPSY picks, my picks. We got the add-ons. This was a great month for Boxycharm. I enjoy this one a lot. I hope you guys did too. If you did enjoy this video and would like to see more content like this from me, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. For now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.